To resize the menu icon layout in the LG ThinQ app, select the Settings menu at the top of the home screen. Once the menu drawer slides out, select the App Settings. The App Settings screen opens, showing all of your options. Select the Card Layout button. A mimic of your phone screen with the card layout appears in the display, along with the options Auto Change, Medium Card, and Small Card. The current card layout will have a check mark next to the option. To change the card layout to your preferred setting, select any of the three options. For this example, Small Card is selected. The phone screen icon will reconfigure to preview the new card layout you selected. Once selected, press Save. The App Settings screen will appear again in the display. Press the back arrow to proceed to the main screen. Once in the main screen, you'll notice the menu icons have resized to your preferred size settings. If you're having issues connecting your appliance to the LG ThinQ app, please watch our video on wireless network and router setup for further information.